There's a pervasive myth in the world of content creation, a belief so deeply ingrained that it stops countless talented people before they even start. Most creators, and the gurus who teach them, will tell you that you absolutely need to show your face to succeed. They say your personality, your expressions, your physical presence, that's the key to building an audience, fostering trust, and ultimately making an impact. They believe the creator the brand, and without a face, there's no connection. I'm here to tell you that this is one of the biggest gatekeeping myths in the industry. I'm here to prove that it's fundamentally wrong. You can build a thriving, profitable, and influential online presence without ever appearing on camera. The truth is, your value isn't in your face, it's in the value you provide. Your expertise, your creativity, your unique perspective, that's what truly matters. This isn't just a theory, it's a proven strategy that thousands are using right now to build their empires in silence. Let's be honest about the reasons so many of us hesitate. It's not just a minor inconvenience. For many, it's a crippling fear of being on camera, a deep-seated anxiety about judgment and public scrutiny. It's a lack of confidence, the feeling that you're not camera-ready, or that your background isn't perfect. For others, it's a fierce desire for privacy, a need to separate your public work from your personal life, protecting yourself and your family from the pressures of an online identity. Maybe you're an introvert who shines through your work, not your performance. Or perhaps you simply want the freedom to create content without worrying about your appearance, your energy levels, or who might be watching. All of these reasons are valid, and none of them should be a barrier to your success. The Faceless creator movement is built on this very principle. Your content should speak for itself. It's about shifting the focus from personality to purpose, from the creator's face to the audience's needs. That's why I've created this guide. This is the Faceless Blueprint, a comprehensive step-by-step system designed for absolute beginners, updated and optimized for 2025. We're going to dismantle every obstacle and build your channel from the ground up, together. This isn't about finding loopholes. It's about building a sustainable and authentic brand around your skills and knowledge, not your image. First, we'll tackle the most crucial decision: choosing your niche. We'll go beyond generic advice and help you find a topic you're passionate about that also has a hungry audience waiting. We'll explore content ideas that are perfectly suited for a faceless format, from animated explainers and screen-recorded tutorials to hands-on demonstrations and documentary-style videos using stock footage. You'll learn how to find a profitable niche that you can genuinely enjoy creating content for years to come. Next, we'll demystify the technical side. Forget expensive studios. I'll show you how to set up a basic, budget-friendly home studio using affordable equipment. We'll focus on the one thing that matters most for faceless creators: crystal clear audio. You'll learn how to record high-quality voiceovers even in a noisy apartment, and how to capture crisp video, whether it's your screen, your hands, or a product, without ever showing your face. Think editing is too complicated? Think again. We'll walk through the entire process using free or low-cost editing tools. You'll learn how to assemble your footage, add engaging B-roll, create simple animations, and polish your final video to look professional. We'll also dive deep into creating irresistible thumbnails and titles, the gatekeepers of your content, that demand clicks without resorting to clickbait or showing your face. But creating great content is only half the battle. We'll cover how to upload and optimize your videos for platforms like YouTube, ensuring the algorithm understands what your video is about and shows it to the right people. Then, we'll focus on growth. You'll learn sustainable strategies to grow your channel, build a loyal community, and keep your audience engaged and coming back for more, all through the power of your content and strategic interaction. And of course, we'll talk about monetization. We will explore the diverse income streams available to faceless creators, from ad revenue and affiliate marketing to selling your own digital products and services. I'll show you real-life success stories to inspire you and break down the common mistakes new creators make so you can avoid them. This is your complete roadmap. By the end of this guide, you will have the knowledge, the tools, and the confidence to launch and grow your own successful faceless channel from home. The only thing you need to show is your commitment. Let's begin. The entire strategy begins with one critical decision: choosing your niche. This isn't just about picking a topic you like, it's about picking a profitable one. We're targeting high CPM niches. CPM, or cost per meal, is what advertisers pay per 1,000 views. Niches like finance, technology, and business attract high-paying advertisers, making each view more valuable. Your first step is research. Use tools to explore trends and analyze successful channels in these spaces. But remember, profit is only half the equation. You must have a genuine interest in the subject. This passion will fuel your content creation for the long haul, preventing burnout and ensuring your videos feel authentic. Find the intersection of high profit potential and your personal passion, and you've found your starting point. With your niche selected, it's time to build your identity. As a faceless creator, your brand is your face. It's the visual signature that makes you instantly recognizable. This goes beyond a simple logo. We're building a cohesive brand identity. Start with a memorable channel name. Then develop a consistent color palette and font selection to use across your channel banner, video graphics, and thumbnails. Think of it as your uniform. A finance channel might use greens and golds to evoke wealth. A tech channel might opt for futuristic blues and silvers. This consistent visual language builds trust and makes your content feel professional and authoritative. Now for your secret weapon, artificial intelligence. AI tools are the great equalizer, allowing one person to produce content at the scale of a small team. First, your voice. If you're not using your own AI voice generators, create incredibly realistic human-sounding narration. You can choose a voice that perfectly matches your brand's tone. Next, editing. AI-powered video editors can automate tedious tasks like cutting silences and generating subtitles, saving you countless hours. Finally, your thumbnails. AI can help design eye-catching thumbnails by generating unique background images or suggesting layouts proven to grab attention. Leveraging these tools isn't cheating, it's working smarter. Once you have videos, you need to guide your audience and the algorithm. This is where strategic playlists come in. A playlist isn't just a folder, it's a powerful tool for increasing watch time. When a viewer watches one video in a playlist, the next one is queued up to play automatically. This sends a powerful signal to the algorithm that your content keeps people on the platform. Don't just create one generic playlist, build multiple specific playlists around subtopics in your niche. For example, a history channel might have playlists for ancient Rome and World War II. Create a Start Here playlist that acts as a guided tour for new visitors, showcasing your best introductory content. Finally, let's build your monetization stack. Relying on a single income stream is risky, so we'll create multiple revenue channels. The foundation is advertising revenue through platform partner programs. This is where your high CPM niche choice pays dividends. The second layer is affiliate marketing. Recommend tools or books you believe in. When your audience buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. The pinnacle of your strategy is creating and selling your own digital products, an ebook, an online course, or templates. This is where you transition from content creator to entrepreneur, taking full control of your income and building a sustainable business. And there you have it, the complete blueprint, taking you from an invisible observer to a profitable creator, all without ever needing to step in front of the camera. We've journeyed through the entire process together, demystifying every single step. You now know how to pinpoint a winning niche that resonates with you and an audience. You've seen how to assemble a simple, budget-friendly home studio that delivers professional quality results. We've covered the art of recording compelling audio and video where your content, not your face, is the star. You're equipped with the skills to edit your footage using accessible tools, transforming raw clips into polished, engaging videos. But the real payoff isn't just about uploading a single video, it's about building an empire of content, a digital asset that works for you around the clock. We've explored how to craft irresistible thumbnails and titles that demand to be clicked and how to optimize your uploads to conquer the algorithm. The journey continues as you begin to grow your channel, fostering a community of dedicated viewers who eagerly await your next creation. And of course, we've unlocked the various paths to monetization, turning your passion project into a sustainable source of income. This isn't a far-off dream, it's a tangible reality built on the strategies you've learned right here. The foundation is laid, but the world of faceless content creation is always evolving. This is where our journey together continues. If you're ready to master this craft and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're constantly releasing new, in-depth guides on advanced tactics that actually work. We'll be doing deep dives into specific monetization strategies, exploring new AI tools that can streamline your workflow, and analyzing successful, faceless channels to decode their secrets. Don't miss out on the strategies that will take you from your first upload to your first payout and beyond. Hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. Your future as a successful creator starts now.